Jumapel bomba clot.
But the couch is probably like 10 grand. Huh? Heavy on the hit and miss, heavy on the listeria. The toilet was not blown up, girl. So apparently there was drama.
Show him that, guys.
La-di-da. On the way.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yaddy, 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 yaddy. Today is a special day. It's a special day because
we're getting our furniture.
Furniture. If you all have known, it's been a long time coming, approximately over 2 months.
Exactly, yeah.
But we're getting
furniture. Our space is very empty right now.
Ooh, do a quick house tour of our empty furniture.
Tree.
Purr.
Got a suitcase.
Suitcase. TV. Window. Suitcase. That's it. The end.
Take a seat on the ground right here. And
Literally.
you can watch the TV box.
Honestly, a vibe. We got used to just like standing and eating, watching TV in bed, but like some of the furniture. We'll give you a furniture haul. The delivery guy said they'll be here in like 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes.
And standing and eating is kind of a vibe.
Which is crazy because I never thought that would be me. That would be my tea. But like, I've been like pacing while I'm eating.
Yeah, it's
So-
not bad.
So like now when I like have to sit and eat, I like get really fidgety. But yes, we'll give you a furniture haul. Chip is gonna go downstairs to meet them because
They might get lost.
yeah.
Are we gonna tell them what furniture we're getting?
Duh. Eventually, we'll give you a haul. A haul.
Stay tuned.
While Chip is, doing the heavy lifting, girl, I have to buy him one last birthday gift that was giving me a problem yesterday because their website had a queue and they were only letting X amount of people on the website. And then when I finally get on the website, the shit was like seizing out. I was like, excuse me? Let me buy the gift. So I'm gonna do that right now. And let's see if they give me a problem. Ooh, they say I could do pickup. No one's going anywhere. It is so cold in Canada, like Jamaican timbers. Oh my god. Guys, milestone. My winter jacket that I got in third year university, so that I couldn't tell you when that was. Third year university, so I did half of my semester of third year in person and then COVID hit. So around that time, a blur. I got that jacket, it didn't fit me. Wait, I lied. I got it in second year university. It was really tight. And then by third year university, it's like one of those where it's so tight that it can't zip. So you have to do one of those where you put your hands in the pocket and like walk like this. And walk quick, girl. And then after that, it didn't fit up until now. Because I put it on, because I was like, it's cold. And it fit, and it zipped up, and there was a little room. And I was like, damn, milestone. So I'm proud of myself. Like, that's huge. Because one, that means, like, it's like validation that my hard work has been paying off. But then also, I don't have to buy a new jacket. Boom, shakalaka.
We got
We got it.
Yeah. Looks like a lot.
It's 16 pieces.
Yeah, that's what they said.
Whoa! Chip has so much he has to do.
How am I gonna do all this?
You're gonna have to use that engineering degree to... I always tell him to use his engineering degree, but meanwhile... This guy is just... I'm gonna place you right on. I think this is a TV stand. I always tell him he's a degree, but in context where it doesn't work. Like, he didn't do buildy, handy-mandy engineering. He did electrical.
Yeah.
For 6 years, so...
I can do wires.
He could do wires.
And computers, that's about it.
But when it comes to this, he, like, will take out his protractor and his rulers, and he's, like, annoying with it. Like, I remember once I was like, can you put something on the bottom of the door, like those sticky things, like, to, like, block, like, air or whatever? He literally was measuring the floor, brought the protractor, brought out the calendar, but it was literally a peel and stick.
No, like, the floor was weird, the door was on an angle, like, everything was on an angle.
And he only knew this because of his protractor. I was like, at the end of the day, you got a peel and stick, and he was like...
Well, it was to make sure the bugs didn't get in.
He's like, these are my calculations. And I was like...
So I had to make sure it was like a tight seal throughout the door opening and closing, because it was on an angle. The door was tilted and the floor was tilted, and so it opened and closed at different angles.
See, Chip nerds out, and it's like the cutest thing in the world. But we got it. We got it. We got it. Oh, but it was a hassle. So apparently there was drama.
Yeah, apparently no deliveries on Sundays. God forbid, the Lord's will.
God said do not work on Sundays.
That's what God said.
I don't know if our building thinks they're Chick-fil-A or what, but they said no deliveries on Sundays. But like you said,
I was busy on Saturdays, so I don't see why not.
And it was low-key the only day available.
Yeah.
And apparently the security guard downstairs was new. And I do think that's a factor. Because like when you're new, you kind of just like follow the rules.
Stickler.
Which is
actually according to my guidelines,
the bylaws of the building says. But honestly, it makes sense. Like our 16 pieces is not worth you losing your job.
No, obviously not.
So dare I say, it might be our fault.
Yeah, probably.
But the guys that were like the IKEA guys were like, they're not supposed to like deliver if you don't have a loading dock.
Yeah.
But security's like,
you can't get the loading dock. Yeah.
But then the IKEA guys, shout out to them. Hey.
Thank you, IKEA people.
Do you know their names?
I don't.
Oh, okay, whatever.
I don't, but we're gonna do a survey.
Yeah, 5 stars. Yeah. And they figured it out. They swagger jacked. They
Well, they really kind of pushed through. Like they, I don't want to say. They were very firm with security, and they were saying, yeah, we're just going to go through the back door. Mm-hmm. Like, they didn't really ask, like, many questions. They just kind of did it.
They said, I am a man of solutions.
Right.
I am adaptable. So
they figured it out, and they were very careful.
Very careful, very nice. He came up, and it was, like, sky high. Yeah. And he was like, let me take off my shoes. I said, wow.
Yeah.
I didn't even say anything. He's like... takes off his heels,
very nice.
And then comes clink, 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 and dropped every one thing down. I was like, do you need help? He's like, no, it's okay. I was like, do you want to wheel it in? He's like, no, because I don't want to scratch your floor. And I was like, damn, strong ass man. Yeah. And then I started to see the sweat dripping down his neck, and I was like, oh, I feel bad. So then we're like, me and Angie look at each other. Angie goes to the room, and because we're like, we have to tip you. I don't know if like IKEA delivery... The argument is like that's their job, like they have to do that. Where I don't know, they wanted to make sure we got our shit.
Yeah.
So I was like, the least we can do is tip you.
Like they didn't have to do that. Obviously, what they said is that usually they would just tell us to book another day because they couldn't make the delivery with no loading dock.
Oh.
And so this is like
they did us a favor.
Yeah, like this doesn't usually happen, but they kind of understand the situation.
Oh, convenient. Oh, so I'm glad we tipped them.
Yeah.
Because they didn't have to do that. But yay, we got our furniture.
There we go.
Furniture. Let's give you a haul. To be honest, you can't see what this shit is.
It's just boxes,
It's literally boxes, but here's a sneak peek of our couch color.
No, I would say they're not that big.
Baby, what? They are humongo jumbo.
Yeah, when they're all together, it seems like a lot, but like individual box, okay, maybe this one's this big.
I think this is the TV stand.
But yeah, we got a lot. I am excited to put it together. Fingers crossed goes smooth.
I think so, baby. You put together the island thing.
The island is more straightforward.
Oh yeah, it was literally only an Allen key. This, he's gonna have to bring out his drill set.
All the goodies. 16 pieces. But yeah, thank God.
Amen.
We got all our stuff. We'll show you guys the process.
Literally, but first, Loki, we need to eat it. We need to eat. We need to eat.
What do you want to eat?
Coffee first.
Oh, okay.
Let's make a coffee.
It was so hard. The delivery was so hard.
It was so hard being us. It's exhausting. Sitting and waiting for delivery. Oh, the French press.
Je m'appelle bomba clat.
Boom shakalaka.
Boom shakalaka.
Raise the roof, roof, roof. Loki, we don't have that much left. We make our own like English muffins with bacon and eggs. So delicious. We'll make that.
Very yummy. I feel like it's our new thing.
Okay, let's get this stuff for breakfast. Beacon! Eggs. Wait, Chip.
Yeah.
Okay, pop culture quiz. This is necessary. Finish your lyrics. Eggs, bacon, grits.
Spaghetti.
Okay, let's try again. Eggs, bacon, grits.
Coffee.
Okay. I'll give you another hint. Eggs, bacon, grits, no.
Collard greens.
Sorry, you. Eggs, bacon, grits, sausage. I got a fat ass. I still take.
I don't know.
I'm like.
PayPal.
PayPal?
PayPal stock.
Finance. Really?
What is it? What's the answer?
Okay. It goes eggs, bacon, grits, sausage. I got fat ass. I still take sausage. I'm a bad bitch, but I still take sausage.
Just rhyme sausage with sausage.
I'm a gay, but I still take sausage. I'm a skinny bitch, but I still take sausage. Sausage. It's like a fuck. It's a Vine.
When was this released?
I'm like peak brain rot.
When was this released?
Vine, Twitter era.
I was like,
Damn, Brownies, do you guys know that one? Or am I just like peak brain rot?
my roommate probably knows it from the first year.
And you said you had a roommate that loved Vine.
He loved Vine. He was always on Vine. I'd hear from the other room. I'd think he was the cringiest guy.
Oh, you would have thought I was cringy too then.
Maybe. He was just so like he'd be obnoxious about it.
In what way? Like he's just laughing, having the time of
He
his
would
life.
laugh like way too hard.
No, because it was justified. Vines were that.
Like it would just be like a noise, like a, and he'd be like, oh, I'm like, what the fuck?
No, justified.
That's justified.
Like Vine was peak humor at the time.
Yeah.
It's giving hater. What were you watching if you were watching Vine? Reading your textbooks.
Yeah, probably.
Ooh, that reminds me.
Being a nerd. I didn't know it
Oh,
was.
should we eat leftover pizza?
We can start with that.
We have leftover pizza.
Check it out.
Frozen pizza. Should we eat that?
Yeah, we'll do a review.
Period. I love this frozen pizza. It's like so good.
Now let's try it the next day, which is today.
Big T. We've only had it fresh.
I don't know. Maybe it'll be better.
Maybe.
It's entirely possible it'll be better.
So, Here's our combo for our pizza.
These are the Three Musketeers.
Period. So you take your ranch, low-key running low.
Oh no! Dang.
High-key, it's okay.
Also running low on pizza, so just get it on.
Cause and effect. We put ranch down.
We love the ranch sauce on the top.
But I'm like low-key particular. This ranch is good. There's a lot of ranch I don't like.
Not bad.
It reminds me of Wingstop ranch. And Parmesan. You put it in the ranch because when you put it on the, it falls off. And I want peak Parmesan. And then we top it off. Come give the razzle dazzle, honey.
That's the razzle
With
dazzle.
red chili flakes.
They're spicy. They add a bit of kick.
Intermission. Coffee, water. Oh, let me see. You mix it, and then you fill it to the top. Never ever stop.
A little more.
Then you just like pop your friend. You let her leave her and let her rest. Let's do a taste test. See, this is a concoction. It's delicious.
Not bad.
It's good. 10 out of 10. Hey. Hey.
I think it's better the next day.
Really?
Oh.
Ooh. Is this a new idea? Wait, let me try yours to make sure there's no poison. My mom used to do that as a kid. She'll get us food and be like, let me taste it so there's no poison. Imagine. It's good.
Is mine better?
6-10.
Alright, so the French press is done. We push it down.
She's done. Done. Cheers.
Cheers. Alright, there we go. It's got a little twang. A little twang of Jamaica.
Oh yeah, it's Jamaican coffee that we...
Mama quad.
Yeah, it's Mama Quad beans. The baby.
Mama quad beans.
Also, the reason why Trigger vlogs are taking so long to come is because when I tell you we filmed everything, there's over 5,000 clips.
Yeah. Maybe too much fun.
Yeah. So
it can be a thing.
and because I was filming everything, it's not like I was like, today we're gonna film this. Like it was multiple things that I was like, could be multiple videos. There's 5,000 clips and me going through those clips coupled with like one working full time and then like moving and then
Concussion.
oh that giving impossible. Do you know that song? Vaguely. Damn, this is like teaching Andrew 101.
You sing it, so that's how I know it.
Also, yeah, my new bit is like, hey, do you remember that era of YouTube where it's like songs in real life?
No.
Dang.
What is that?
So like, I'm gonna go jump on the train, and all I hear is, jump, jump, everybody gonna jump, jump. It's like, oh, I have to sing right up close to Fridge.
Yeah, annoying.
Or like, what's a, it's very literal to what you're talking about.
She literally doesn't close the fridge.
Oh, I can't think of one for that. I was trying to think of a song. Okay, but whatever.
What's like a basic example?
Okay. You're sleeping, and then go, wake up in the morning feeling like, we don't say his name. Do you know that song though?
That's a bad example.
Yeah, or...
I don't think you want to do that.
Yeah, bad example. This is gonna bother me, because it used to be so easy.
Like, wake up!
See? Honestly, I don't even know why I brought this up.
It's so random, babes.
I know, but
It's a
whatever.
random girl. She's saying that I just wasn't in that YouTube era that she was. Do you remember the statue challenge?
The mannequin challenge?
Mannequin challenge, yeah.
Of Black Beatles in the city? That
I remember that.
Is that one?
I don't know.
The
You just
Black Beatles in the city. And I'm surprised you know that one.
posed. I don't know. I think my
Ooh.
class did it in high school.
What's the one that goes?
Harlem Shake.
That was an era. That or
Pro-
fill in the blank.
I don't know.
Planking.
Planking, yeah.
Do you remember that?
Well, you didn't actually plank, you just did this.
It was-
You had to actually do it.
Oh yeah, and then Timberly Timbers, the freaking. You're gonna have to rebuild the island with your island key.
Sure. Not that hard.
Let me show you guys. I like look over there and it gives me the heebie-jeebies because we have so many boxes that we have to like throw out. So like.
Don't go there. Don't show them that, guys.
God, oh.
Blur it out. No, blur it out. Oh, no.
To be honest, it's not that bad.
Yeah, that's just my office. So
Yeah, we have to throw out all these boxes.
I'll have to tidy up the office.
Eventually, we kind of make his little. Maybe we're thinking some artwork, some finance, some stock charts.
This is the man cave right here, so it looks like that.
Unpopular opinion, I don't see the point of a man cave.
Jada's not allowed in there, by the way.
Oh, please. Yeah, if y'all baddies really believe that. Keep out. Meanwhile, I'm in there making it my home. Unpopular opinion though, I don't see the point of man caves. Because why do you need a place to escape? Clock it. You have free time, you don't want to hang out with me? Problem. Do you agree or disagree? Like, what's your take?
I agree.
Period. This is Chippendales.
Just want the coach.
Yeah, Andrew is, if anything, Andrew's a little bit more clingy than I am. He's always like, baby, let's hang out. Baby, miss you.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, which 10 out of 10 love. Okay, let me finish my coffee. I put cashew milk and
Take a big old swig.
swiggy diggy.
I like it though.
I used to be like 4 milk,
10
4
sugars.
yeah, high key. Do you see how I was about to lie?
Low key.
And say 4 sugar. No, like mine used to be like sugar and cream with it of coffee, like a coffee.
There's like a little bit.
Just very little, very minor.
Imagination of coffee.
Clock it, gag it. But Andrew likes this brand, Silk. Fun fact, they had a recall for Listeria. I don't know what's going on with the world. Like, I'm calling it population control. But so many different food companies have been getting recalled. Burger buns. Why is there metal in it? Like
It's more iron for you.
iron. Yeah, that's true. It's giving iron deficient. And
Oh.
who's calling?
Somebody.
Oh, that song's in real life. Somebody. I don't know. Somebody sold my information. I've been getting a lot of spam calls lately.
Who is it?
I don't know.
Somebody.
He gets it. I don't like that silk milk, that almond milk, because it's a little too silky. Like it's to the name. Like it's, but I don't like that. I like the
Like chunky milk?
no.
What do you like?
I like the other one that we got.
Yeah, silk is hit and miss.
Heavy on the hit and
Yeah,
miss,
yeah.
heavy on the listeria. We're literally talking about everything.
And I will say that usually the reason that I started drinking almond milk and alternative milks is that regular milk just causes me issues. Like I want to like throw up and all
Throw
that.
up.
Sometimes.
Why do you think it was just like?
Yeah,
I know
that
you
too. That too. But like when we went to Jamaica, I was able to drink the milk there, the surge milk,
Oh.
and that was not an issue for me.
It was the best milk of my life. Because usually when he used to eat dairy, he would like break out and stuff like that.
Yeah.
We drank dairy all of Jamaica and no problems. The
No
toilet
problem.
was not blown up, girl.
Which is very strange. So like milk here would just cause me so much problems.
Even the fruit juices, like Andrew has sensitive teeth, like his teeth didn't hurt at all. Fruit juices, I don't like pineapple because it makes my tongue like itch. Same with bananas. In Jamaica, no problem. Like I was drinking pineapple juice like to the dome.
Like water.
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 Coconut water on the street. Oh,
Oh yeah.
banger. I
From
filmed
an actual
that.
coconut, it's the best. Like there's nothing that can compare that you get from a can or bottle that's packaged here.
I would never buy it here again because it's like, "Ugh, what is that?" We went for like a day with my dad and he gave us, we went to all the local spots, girl. So that vlog, Loki's gonna be good because like, my dad is such a Jamaican. Like, wagwan, like very much to the T.
He does sound like that.
Yeah, like, and he brought us to like
All the spots.
like with locals. You know what? Let me save it for the vlog. Let me save it for the vlog because I think we talked about it anyways.
You guys have to subscribe and stay tuned.
Well, let me know if you enjoy the style vlog because I'm trying to like remind myself like just let the camera roll because I have this problem where I think like before I film something or I have an idea or I want to tell you guys something, I was like nobody cares. Like I unfortunately have that opinion where I'm like no one cares to see that. But if you want to like, but if you prefer that and it makes you feel like you're right here with me, we can do that.
Yeah.
Because then you can just see how conversation flows and it's like we're actually hanging out. Vibes.
It's like you're here with us.
Vibes. And you can see like Chip's mannerisms, how he acts like him to the bone. Like the nerding out and like how like annoying I am.
You're not annoying.
Oh, Romantica! Here. Reporting live from editing this video. And I'm being so serious, baddies. Please let me know if you do prefer, if you're down for some of the videos to where I am just giving yipper yapper jibber jabber. Because POV, I can have a 30-minute clip and I'll cut it down to 1 minute because I'm like, nobody gives a damn. Like I was like, girl, no one cares. But if it's giving like, wait, Jade, we do care. Your wish is my command. Also, might as well do the code word, the super code word that gives you multiple entries to the giveaway. And that code word is yapper. Yes, it's fitting. DM me that code word on Instagram. Don't put in comments because you can put the emoji at the end in the comments, but the code word, girl, don't put in comments because if you made it this far, hey, love you down. But seriously, let me know. And then if it's giving POV, I upload this video and then I come and check back a week later and the comments are empty and nobody has told me that they vibe or down with the yapping. I get it. Message heard. Loud and clear. Silence is the answer. But yeah. As always, love you. There's like this furniture shop close by. I was like, oh, close by, let's search it up. I went on the website and there was a coffee table. Why is a coffee?
Coffee
table. Sound it out. Coffee table. Was $2,000. Huh?
Bro, that's insane.
Huh? And when I tell you, and they tell you the store is always full. I said, damn, people are. Yes.
Oh.
There are people, and like you don't go in there to window shop. So like, how much a couch is?
Well, I don't know. We have to go inside and ask.
Should we? We can cosplay.
Be a good vlog.
They'd be like, girl, get up.
I don't know. We'll put a pin in there.
They'll look down at my shoes and be like, ooh. Security! But the couch is probably like 10 grand.
Oh, man.
Because the coffee table was tiny. Like, it was just giving prop. It wasn't gigantica. So.
Me not like that.
Anyways, we've been yapping for so long. Sorry, y'all.
Bye, guys.
Merry Christmas!